Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, and we're going to have our Zoom meeting at 10 o'clock this morning. So I'm going to keep our morning meeting a little bit shorter today. So let's go ahead and take a look at our calendar and see what day of the week it is and what's going on there. Okay, so we are in the month of April, and we look at all of our abbreviations here. And we said today is Wednesday, and we go down, it is April 8th, 2020. Let's see how many days we have until we get to Easter. Easter is this Sunday. So today is Wednesday, so let's see how many days we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 days to go until Easter. So not too many to wait. Okay, so today I did something a little different. I'm going to move our calendar. And we have all of our sentences we've done. This is today's sentence. And what I want you to do is to pause it. And I'm going to read it for you because some of these words are a little bit harder, but you should know them all. Are you coming, because we added the ing onto come, coming to our, there's that ooh, our double O, Zoom meeting. So go ahead and pause it, and then I will put the correct one up and you can see if you are correct. Go ahead and fix anything that needs to be fixed on it. Okay, and here is the correct way to write the sentence. See if you got everything fixed up. The word are needs a capital because it is the beginning of a sentence. So we have a capital A. Everything else is pretty much the same until we get to the word Zoom. Now, Zoom is the name of a company or the name of a, I guess, kind of a software that they use that is what we use to be able to meet with each other. So that gets a capital letter as well. That is a tricky one. If you didn't get that, that's okay. And the big thing, though, is this is a question. So make sure you have a question mark there because you are asking someone something. Are you coming to our Zoom meeting? I hope the answer is yes for all of you. All right, we're going to do a little bit of number work, and then that'll be it for today for morning message. Okay, today I want you to try to write some numbers on that same piece of paper or your whiteboard that you just wrote your sentence. I want you to see if you can write the number that is, since we've been practicing with the tens and the ones, we have 1 10 and 1, 2, 3 ones. Can you write the number that shows? Okay, so we have 1 10 and 3 ones, and I hope you wrote down the number 13. Very good. All right, I'm going to erase mine. If you have a whiteboard, erase yours. Let's do another one. Let's put a few more here. Okay, count those up and see if you can write the number that has. Okay, we have 110. We already know there's 10 there. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So the number you should have written is 16. Very good. Okay, I'm going to move these off. I'm going to try to trick you now a little bit. What if we had 2 10s and no ones? What is the number? How many little blocks are all put together there with 2 10s? Think about counting by tens. Okay, so I can get 10, 20. So we have 2 10s and 0 ones. So that makes 20. Did you get that? All right, what if, I'm going to keep 0 ones in there, so I'm going to keep it there. What if I had 3 10s? How much is that going to be? I put a 3 in the tens column. I have 0 for ones. So we have 10, 20, 30. Awesome job. Okay, so that's it for today. Just a nice little short one. We're going to do our poem together during the Zoom meeting, so that's why we're not going to do it during morning message. So I will see you all a little bit later, and then also later this morning for reading.